Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to use the pillow library inside Python to build out a advanced image and WebP converter inside your terminal. So there is this open source module pillow. The command is simple. You simply execute pip install PILLOW. You simply install this module. This is an image processing module inside Python. It's very good module. It provides you with all the features. So once you install this, simply create a app.py file. So we already have this image present inside the directory. You will see it's a jpg image file. So now if I want to convert this to png, it's really simple. First of all, we import the pillow library. We say from pillow we need to import the image, and then we simply open the image. So you can see we use image and it contains this open function. So we simply open this image first of all, and then it also contains the show function which will show the image, but in this case we need to actually convert this image from one format to another. So for this purpose we have the save function. So here you can convert this image to png, and then you specify the extension. So this is png. So now what happens, it converts this image from jpg extension to png. It's really simple, and if you execute the script here, you will see a new file will be created which will be one.png. So really simple converter, and now it can even convert this file to WebP format. So WebP format works in the browser. So here you just need to specify WebP, and then I think you can even control the quality as well. So there is a third argument that you can pass to this pillow library, which is quality. So in this way you can compress your images as well. So let's suppose I pass here 50. So now what it will do, it will convert this jpg image to WebP but with quality 50. So you will see it has created this WebP file, but the size will be a little bit different. As you can see, the quality that we set is 50. Let me set it to 10. So now this image will be a little bit blurry, and it is compressed here. You will see the original size of the image was 28 kilobyte. Now it has been reduced to 4 kilobyte. So in this way you can even compress your files as well, compress your image files and change the image file from one format to another using the simple pillow library. 3 lines of code is there. You open the image, then you use the save function to convert image from one format to another. So let's suppose I have this WebP file. We can even convert this to PNG as well. So very simply, again you run this, you will see your file will be created. So you can convert files from one format to another using this all-in-one pillow library inside Python. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.